Today, we're pitting two smart cleaning giants against each other to see which one comes out on top. The budget-friendly Ecovacs N30 Omni or the more expensive iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. So let's go ahead and dive right in and find out. In terms of build quality, both the N30 and J9 Plus feature sleek, modern designs with a familiar circular body shape typical of most robot vacuums. And these two are nearly identical in size. So the N30 features a self-emptying base station that offers dual mop and vacuum functions, making it a versatile and practical option. The base station is relatively large, measuring 21 inches tall, 13 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. While primarily made of plastic, this feels durable. On the other hand, the J9 Plus also has a plastic build, but it gives off a more premium feel thanks to its wood accent on the top cover. Although the wood accent is plastic, it's hard to tell just by looking at it. And the leather tab on the right side adds a stylish touch. The J9 Plus is more compact, measuring at 16.25 inches in height, 15.75 inches in width, and 12.5 inches in depth. The ramp on the N30 base station extends further than on the J9 Plus, partly due to the slimmer body of the N30's base. Now both docking stations are relatively easy to move if you need to reposition them. The N30 Omni base station features both a clean and dirty water tank, conveniently located on the top for easy access. You simply pull up on the tank that you want. The tab for the clean water tank feels noticeably better and it's easier to open compared to the one on the dirty water tank. The dustbin is hidden behind a front cover that can be pulled out when it's time to empty it. In contrast, the J9 Plus offers a slightly different setup. The front panel opens to reveal both the clean water tank and dust bag, both of which can be pulled out for easy access. A neat thing is that the door features two built-in shelves for storing extra accessories, adding a nice and practical touch to its design. The setup process for the Roomba Combo J9 Plus felt a bit slow and awkward, mainly because the button needed during the setup is located on the front of the vacuum, and since the vacuum docks front first, it can be a little challenging to access the button once it's inside the dock. In contrast, the Ecovacs N30 Omni provides a more user-friendly setup experience as the vacuum docks backwards, keeping the buttons easily accessible throughout the process. So the charging contact pins on the J9 Plus are located on the bottom of the front side, which is why it needs to dock forwards. While on the N30 Omni, it is located on the back side. The N30 Omni excels in multi-surface cleaning. It provides a powerful suction of 10,000 pascals to handle debris on hardwood, tile, and carpets. You can also adjust the suction power in the app in case you don't want it to be making too much noise. Maybe you're studying or you just want to have a peaceful dinner. This also features Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-tangle technology, which prevents hair from getting tangled and is particularly useful for those of you with long hair or if you own pets that have long hair. This is incredibly convenient because there's always less hair, if any, that you need to clean off. The integrated mop tackles sticky messes on hardwood floors and is equipped with multiple cleaning modes that you can choose from, so you can have vacuuming and mopping at the same time. This uses dual spinning mop pads which rotate during cleaning to provide a more thorough scrubbing motion than traditional mopping systems. It also features true edge adaptive edge mopping, delivering precise, efficient cleaning with 1mm edge accuracy, and according to Ecovacs, it has a 98% improved coverage. So this mop pad sticks out to get very close to the edge. The mops also stop spinning and retract into their lifted position when it encounters carpet so that it doesn't get your carpet wet. On the other hand, the Roomba J9 Plus provides a powerful suction, although the exact power is not specified. The J9 Plus also vacuums and mops at the same time, and when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, the J9 Plus automatically lifts the mop to prevent getting your carpet wet. The integration of the mop is different on here. The mop deploys from the back of the vacuum. However, unlike the N30 Omni, the J9 Plus does not have spinning mop pads. Instead, its mopping function focuses more on transitioning between vacuuming and mopping, prioritizing carpet protection. The mop on this one does not clean itself after use, so it requires you to manually clean the mop pad after each session. So I tested the Ecovacs N30 and the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus by scattering crushed cereal, bird seeds, and dog food over a small area, and I did this multiple times. The N30 did a great job at cleaning both the mat and floor in a single pass. While the J9 Plus also did a good job, it wasn't as thorough as the N30, which excelled at picking almost every crumb in the targeted area that I created. So when the N30 returns to its base, not only does it empty its dustbin, but it automatically cleans the mop pads using cold water and a cleaning solution to remove dirt. It then uses hot air to dry the pads, preventing mold and odor buildup, making the system almost maintenance free. So once the pads are done being washed, there's no dirt or residue left at the bottom of the mop pads that will cause streaks on your next mopping session. And you won't need to worry about frequently cleaning the base station either. The only part that you might have to clean every now and then is this little plastic tray. So after about 2 hours of drying the mop pads, they are dry to the touch. But you can keep the hot drying session running for 3 or 4 hours to ensure they're completely dry. So the name of the cleaning solution is Solid Floor Cleaner, and the cleaning solution compartment is located underneath the dirty water tank. So I don't have one on me, but it looks like this. To insert the clean solution, you simply twist the cap off and insert the long-lasting floor cleaner solution in here. Now to activate it, you do this in the app. You go into the station advanced settings, and at the very bottom you tap on activate. This solution has a mild fragrance and is non-abrasive to the floors while providing a deeper clean. Now moving on to the mopping comparison, I spilled coffee in several spots across a small area and repeated this multiple times. So both vacuums performed well in mopping, but when it came to stain removal, the N30 Omni significantly outperformed the J9 Plus. The N30 Omni showed a much more consistent cleaning pattern with a precise back and forth motion that covered the entire targeted area set in the app. In contrast, the J9 Plus missed a few spots and it lacked the same level of consistency. Overall, the N30 Omni not only maintained a superior thorough cleaning pattern, but also removed stains more effectively. It was able to remove a small mud stain, coffee shoe print, and strawberry stain that the J9 Plus wasn't able to remove. The Ecovacs N30 Omni uses LiDAR to navigate around your home, and this helps the N30 Omni create an accurate map of your home in a couple of minutes. The LiDAR system on this has been working incredibly well, and it has an obstacle avoidance system that helps it avoid objects in its path. It also supports multi-floor mapping, making it suitable for multi-level homes. The iRobot J9 Plus uses a camera along with sensors to navigate your home, and since this is connected to the internet, there may be some of you that may have some security concerns and you might not feel at ease having this around your home. There is a built-in flashlight, but it is still recommended to turn on your home lights when using this for optimal performance when it's a little dark inside. This also offers an intelligent obstacle avoidance system, and it also supports multi-level mapping. Compared to the N30 Omni mapping time, the Roomba J9 Plus was way slower. It took about 23 minutes to map out my entire home, compared to the 8 minutes that the N30 Omni took, almost 3 times longer. Both of these models offer excellent mapping and navigation features, but the Roomba J9 Plus looked a little lost at times while I was cleaning. The Ecovacs N30 Omni wins with its LiDAR navigation and obstacle avoidance system. It did a way better job at not crashing into objects, while the Roomba J9 Plus was crashing into multiple objects and even the wall. It crashed at least 5 times on every session, while the Roomba crashed about once or twice every 5 sessions. Here's a quick look at how scratched up the Roomba J9 Plus looked after its first cleaning cycle, and here's how the N30 Omni looked after its first cleaning cycle. The Ecovacs N30 Omni is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings. So the N30 is versatile in terms of smart home integration. The app lets you create cleaning zones and off-limit zones. You can also schedule your cleaning cycles, and you can monitor the vacuum's cleaning progress in real time. The Roomba J9 Plus is compatible with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri. In the app, you can also set up cleaning zones and off-limit zones, create schedules, but you can't see your cleaning cycle in real time. Something else worth noting is that the N30 Omni offers double the runtime with an average battery life of 320 minutes per full charge, while the J9 Plus combo offers about 120 minutes per full charge. While the J9 Plus has a clever feature that lifts the mop to prevent dripping on carpets, the N30 Omni impressed me with its overall cleaning performance. I appreciate its ability to mop effectively along the edges of the wall. Although the J9 Plus boasts a sleeker and more premium looking charging station, the N30 stands out where it truly counts: functionality. In terms of usability, the N30 Omni is much easier to operate. It maintains a stable connection throughout use and navigates more effectively, avoiding collision and completing tasks faster. So overall, for a true hands-free operation and excellent mopping performance, I recommend the N30 Omni. The N30 provides significantly more value for the price. And here's the best part. Ecovacs is currently offering a discount on the N30 Omni, making it an even better deal. So make sure to take advantage of this offer because it won't last long, and I will include the link in the description below. Alright, so that does it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related content, and I will talk to you on the next one.